Today we'll discuss on how to create enquiry forms for your website. These enquiry forms can be used to collect feedback or any other useful information from your customer. To create an enquiry form, you need to tap on Settings, then tap on Custom Fields, tap on Enquiry Form. To create a new enquiry form, you need to tap on Add New Form, enter a suitable form name, enter a suitable form title, you can enter a suitable subtitle as well. This is basically used to describe your enquiry form. Tap on Next. Now you can choose your field type in order to fill your enquiry. Text is basically where you can add some questions for your customers. Then there are certain more field types such as paragraph for more in-depth feedback. Then you can add multiple choice, drop down and checkbox for feedback type inquiries. If you want your customers to add certain attachments, they can do so with the help of attachment option. Now let me show you on how an enquiry form works. What is its basic structure? If you see, an enquiry form consists of the form name, a form title, and a suitable subtitle as well. Then it includes a main questionnaire. Now to make this questionnaire as mandatory, I've enabled the mandatory field. You should always tap on Save to save the question while creating an enquiry. This is an example of a multiple choice question where you post a question to the customer and the customer can select any of this option. Now let's see another example. This is an example of a drop-down question where you post the question to the customer and the customer can select any of this option through the means of drop-down. If you want to add another value, you can tap on Add Another Value tab. After the customer fills its answer, an action will be displayed to them. By default, the title will be Thank you and the message will be that you have sent the inquiry successfully. Tap on Save to save the inquiry. Now let's see its effect on the website. Tap on Edit Website. Now scroll to a section such as Contacts. Now let's select General Enquiries. Now to add the enquiry link, tap on Add Link option. Select the enquiry form option and select the enquiry that you have customized. Tap on Save. Now whenever a customer taps on General Enquiries, for this example, an enquiry or feedback form will be displayed to them. Here they can write their main enquiries in this field. Let's write some enquiry. Then the customer can rate your services such as excellent, good, or poor. If you see below, there is an example of a drop-down question where I have asked, by what means shall I contact you in case of further enquiries? The customer can tap on Select field and can select any of the option. After entering the details, the customer can tap on Next. They can add some more messages if they like. If not, they can tap on Submit. And this is the post action scene that I have described earlier, where the title is thank you and a confirmation field is being displayed below. So this was all about enquiries in a website. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.